The word organic. We hear it everywhere, don't we? From organic tea to organic skincare, even organic love. Maybe it's because our hearts secretly crave whatever feels untouched, unfiltered, and impossibly real. And that is exactly how nature holds me. In a bond so organic, it feels like poetry breathing. It begins in the hush of leaves, swaying with the wind like dancers lost in their own slow worlds. In sunlight dripping through a canopy of green, turning the world golden, as if morning itself decided to paint. It lives in cattle wandering across open meadows, unhurried, timeless. In birds stitching melody into the sky. In the soft murmur of a river carving stories into ancient stones. And then comes the surprises, the ones the earth hides for you like tiny treasures, fresh fruits you never meant to pick, but nature placed them in your palms anyway. A sweet little secret between you and the fields. Or the ruins you stumble upon, old, fragile, stubbornly standing, their broken walls still echoing the breath of forgotten centuries. And sometimes it's a single peacock feather lying in the dust, a silver of magic, a dream the day dropped quietly at your feet. Even mountain roads, fading into the arms of the fog, whisper peace in a language only the heart understands. Here, nothing is in a hurry, nothing pretends. Everything moves in its own wild, honest rhythm. Raw, unfiltered, and beautifully alive. And maybe this is what organic truly means. Not what we sip or use or claim, but what we feel, how we breathe, how we wonder, how softly we let the world touch us, without forcing it, without rushing it. Because the purest connections, the call of a hidden bird, the scent of first rain, the quiet warmth of sunlight drifting across your skin, they're never made by humans. They simply happen organically.